Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You're ready. Put the watch on the wrist you use least, snug but comfortable. Once on, unlock the watch and open the blood oxygen app. If you prefer, add its complication for one-tap access. Make sure your arm is supported and level with your heart. This reduces motion and circulation issues. Avoid covering the sensors. Start the measurement now by tapping Start. You'll feel the app count down while the red sensors do their work, so relax and hold steady. Once the countdown begins, keep your arm completely still. Small movements disrupt the infrared sensors and ruin accuracy. Make sure the watch sits above any sleeve and that there's no heavy makeup or opaque tattoos under the sensor. If you feel cold, warm your hands first. Circulation affects the signal. The watch displays progress and then shows SpO2%. If the result seems odd, wait 1-2 minutes and run another reading, because repeated study samples give a clearer picture. After the measurement, tap Done and review the number. Then open the Health app on your iPhone for trends and context, because one reading doesn't define your baseline. If you get frequent failures, make sure Watch OS is up to date. Clean the back sensor with a non-abrasive cloth, then restart the watch and paired iPhone. If readings remain inconsistent or implausible, try the other wrist. And contact Apple support if you suspect hardware damage.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.